Hello doctors, I am Dr. Siddharth Gupta and I am an orthopedic surgeon. The NEET PG scores have been declared and the NEET PG rank is expected to be declared in the next few days. As soon as the NEET PG scores were declared, I had been receiving messages from the students that in which they have asked various questions like their rank is expected to be somewhere about 6,000 or 7,000 or this or in a particular range, and they are confused as to what to opt for, whether to give preference to the college or to the specialty. And some students are also raising the queries like whether they should be dropping another year and taking another chance because this was their with their internship that they gave their first attempt and were not able to qualify or were not able to give their best. And some students have also raised the query, sir, I will be getting DNB in a particular specialty, but I want to do an MD or an MS in that specialty. Is it right to go in for a DNB or should I wait and give another NEET PG session, because by the time the PG session starts it would be already in the month of June or July, and the exams are expected to be in the month of November. So what am I supposed to do? These sorts of queries have been have been asked by the students in various emails and messages that I have been receiving. So friends, in order to solve your problem, instead of replying individually to every mail, which becomes very difficult, I and my team have decided that we will be conducting a pre-NEET PG counseling interactive session. This session is a free of cost session. This session is a free of cost session in which the experts from different specialties, that is orthopedics, radio, medicine, general surgery, anesthesia, obs-gynae, etc. would be coming and would be discussing your career options in various specialties with respect to the rank which you have secured. I know some students have secured very good rank. Some students have secured rank say in within 500. They will be getting the subject and the college of their choice, but most of us are in the average rank list, and we know we are likely to compromise upon our desires. So our team of experts will tell you how to compromise or how to do the best in future with whatever rank which you have got. And this session is going to be a free of cost session. We are conducting it on the 3rd of March, that is Saturday. We are conducting it on the 3rd of March, that is Saturday, from 3 p.m. onwards. From 3 p.m. onwards. The venue of the session is this. All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi. In AIIMS there is a hostel complex. In AIIMS there is a hostel complex which is near the coffee shop of the AIIMS. Now in All India Institute of Medical Science AIIMS hostel complex there is a gym, and on that gym, on the first floor we will be conducting this session. We have only limited seats. We have only very limited seats, and the session is free of cost. So I request you to register as soon as possible. Now the registration is exclusively based on one criteria, that is first come first serve criteria. And in order to register, what all you have to do is that I am giving you two numbers. One is this, that is 9968 361050, and the other is 8588881146. I'm also giving you an email ID, that is orthodoctorindia@gmail.com. Now these numbers will be one of the number, that is the previous number 9968, is active on WhatsApp. The other number will be active on WhatsApp today, and the email is already active. So whomsoever wants to attend this session, they have to send us the details, that is their name, their contact number, and from which college do you belong to, what is your NEET PG score, and why would you like to attend this session. And our team will get back to you within next 24 hours and let you know whether you are registered for this session. I tell you that we have very limited seats, and some students have also already who know me personally have already started registering for this session. So I request you to please hurry up. It's AIIMS hostel complex. It's very easy to approach. The date is 3rd of March, that is Saturday, and the time is 3 p.m. onwards. It is going to be a very useful interactive session where we can answer your queries, we can discuss your doubts. The rank you have got, you will be getting soon, the scores you have got. Now, the confusion which prevails amongst the students will be clarified as to how to utilize the best out of your rank. How to utilize the best out of your rank which you have got. We will be clearing that doubt for sure. And I hope that you will register it soon, and you will all be benefited by that. Thank you very much.